In this video, I'll show you how to customize the color scheme of your Shopify customer email templates. Specifically, we'll be changing the accent colors of buttons and links such as view order, visitor store, and the email address at the bottom right here. And for the purpose of this example, I would like to change the color from default blue to red. So to make this change, let's log into Shopify admin account, and then at the bottom, click on settings, and then select notifications. Then click on the customer notifications, and then top right corner, look for this option, customize email templates. Let's click on it, and here's the option to change the accent color. Let's change it from default blue to red. Let's pick this one, and now let's save the changes. As you can see, the accent color should be updated in the email preview, and of course this change will also apply to the rest of the email templates, such as order confirmation, draft order invoice, shipping confirmation, and more. In fact, let's open the draft order invoice, and let's send the test email. Let me log into my email account, and here's a sample email, and as you can see, the accent colors are now red. So as usual, I hope you found this video helpful. For more Shopify tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.